In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can download a TikTok video without the TikTok watermark. This can be used for your own videos or for any video on the TikTok platform. Now, do make sure that you have the permission of the creator before you download their content. But let's go. So when you're on your phone or your desktop, it works either way. It works for iOS, it works for Android, it works on a laptop or a desktop computer, really doesn't matter. Just open up TikTok and go to the video that you want to download. And then click on the little arrow at the bottom, which is the share button. And then you're gonna copy the link. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna head over to your browser and you are gonna search for snaptik.app. I've already have it open right here. So snaptik.app, and then you're gonna paste the link that you just copied in there. And you're gonna click download. There you go. And then we can choose whether we wanna download it as a regular video, a full HD video, or from different servers. If you want to download it in HD, you're going to have to watch an ad first, so I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to click on download and over here, and then you click open in downloads, and there it is. And now we have this clip saved to our phone without that TikTok watermark. There you go.